All right. So the exercise is exercise 1, pie charts. They look very much like year 8, even like year 7 in some places, but it's revision. This is a spiral curriculum. That means you start in year 7, you pick up the same sort of stuff in year 8 and go deeper. Then you pick up the same sort of stuff again in year 9 and go deeper still, while simultaneously learning new stuff as well. So it's brilliant, this scheme. So the task was, Brendan, question 2, 3 and 4. We'll just check. Yeah, 2, 3 and 4, just one extension-y question, which isn't extension-y at all, actually. It's really not. It's nothing special at all. So let's just work together quickly. The pie chart shows the proportions of Ryan's class that have different pets. You may remember this question. You might have even done the work, I don't know. No one in his class has more than one pet. I don't know if that's a relevant thing, I don't know. What's the most common pet? That's the biggest slice of cake. But then again, you can't say the most common pet is no pet, because that means you don't got a pet, have you? So the most common pet is clearly, I went for hamster because I saw the number. No, it's clearly cat, because 90 degrees beats 70 degrees. You see, Brendan, I nearly got it wrong. I wasn't paying attention. So which pet is half as common as a hamster? Hamster is 70, half of 70 is 35. The answer is dog, or dog, depending on what village you're from. So C, what fraction of the class does not have a pet? And simplify it. So the fraction is going to be 165 divided by, you may now speak. $165. Yeah, that's it. And then you just simplify it without a calculator if you can. Just put in 5s and trim it down as much as you can go. Yeah, because it's out 360, so that's it. Okay, can you tell from the pie chart how many people in Ryan's class have a cat? The answer is no, because we do not know the total number in Ryan's class. All we know is the proportions of those who had different pets. That's the answer to that. Is that okay? So a proportion is not an absolute number. This 165 degrees does not represent 165 people, although if it was a class of 360 kids, 2 or 3 year groups combined maybe in a big school, then that would be 165 people, but we don't have that indication whatsoever, so we cannot. And Marco is talking about cake. Well done, man. Cake. Coffee, cake. And this question goes to Isabella. Isabella, there's 5 types of cake there. What's your favourite? I just want to hear her speak, really. Yeah, Isabella, what's your favourite? Very good. Okay, it's cool. Yeah, good choice. That's the correct answer to 3A. Isabella's favourite chocolate cake is chocolate. What fraction of people chose coffee or chocolate? Now, must be careful with this. It's not a fraction for coffee and a fraction for chocolate. It's not. It's coffee and chocolate as one lump. So I'll let you sort that out. It's clearly these 2 degrees added up. Divided by what? Yeah, not the 80. There's 180 there. You may be tempted to put it over 180 and think, no, just be really careful. So we've done our work, really. So question 2, question 3, question 4. I cannot see why question 4's extension, except they say what percentage of the people chose either Mexican or Thai food as their takeout. So Mexican plus Thai, get the total, put it over 360, and then what do you do there? Get the total, put it over 360, and then what do you do there? Okay, Veer can't do this. Anyone else can jump in at this point. That's the only bit that's extension-y. I'm all ears. What would you do? Well, I'm doing 4B actually, because that's the only bit that's extension-y. What would you do with that? Yeah. And I wouldn't. I'll times it by 100. So you want a percent? Is that okay? So it's going to be the total over 360. Don't bother simplifying it on your calculator. Pick up the calculator when you're ready to do the actual calculation. So it's going to be that plus that over 360 times 100. So I need to see this, Brendan. Who else doesn't like to show working? Well, practically everyone. Yeah, so do all that little lot and we are done. Send it back to me as soon as you're done. I will stay up all hours to mark it, but I don't really want to do that because I want to do another lesson Monday when I finish with year 10. All right, so that's what we got to do right now. So have some fun and go do it.